Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. The next part, the third one, in the WW-109 fighter plane series in SolidWorks. Today I want to model a propeller, not a real working one, but a good looking one. So, let's bring back our image sketch. There you go. And I could hide that surface here. That would be, and the extrudes, so let's hide those extrudes and hide that wing here, because then it's easier to handle. Now I need a sketch on the main sketch plane, so go for the main sketch plane, go for a sketch, and I will need a center line and a line. So let's go for a line which starts somewhere over here. This line should be for construction only. And I need a center line which goes from this point here over there. Then I need a spline which starts at that point and goes along that curve here. Maybe like this, and okay. Finish that sketch, and let's go for a surface revolve. I want to revolve that spline around this axis here by 360 degrees and confirm. Yeah, this looks okay. Great. Now for the air plates, I want to reuse a sketch. Let's take a look. There should be a sketch in the wing folder. There you go, wings. And that might be this sketch. Yes, let's take this sketch and copy it, Ctrl+C, and put it onto our main sketch plane, Ctrl+V, which should give me another sketch here down below, this one, and I want to move this, and I can move it even here. Let's go for a normal view, and I can move it up there. So let's move it. Yes. A little bit more. Maybe like that. That would be okay. And now let's hide that surface revolve and hide that image sketch. And maybe hide that one here as well. Okay, I need to scale this, so let's go to the sketch and edit it. And I want to go for 0.2. So, scale entities, select them. The point, scale point would be this one. Go for 0.2, and okay. Now I will need this sketch on another plane, which has a distance of about 700 millimeters from parallel and from that main sketch plane. So I can leave that sketch, go for another plane. Should have a distance to the main sketch plane, and that distance should be 700. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's the correct direction. So confirm. And now copy that sketch, Ctrl+C onto that plane, Ctrl+V. And maybe hide that sketch for the moment. go to this sketch and edit it. So I want to scale these elements again. So go for a scale, select it, point would be this one, and not 0.2 but 0.5. Did I select everything? Arc 1, Arc 2, spline, spline, yes, should work. Let's take a look. There, that's crazy. Okay, so let's undo and try once more. So I want to scale those entities. Is this? Yes, and I want to keep the relations possibly. So go for scale entities and scale about, yes. I need it 0.5, yes, and the point, I want to scale it about this one. Great, now it worked. Then let's bring back that sketch here. I want to move it in that direction, and I want to turn it around point. So let's give it that midpoint here and move it. It's a little slow. I want to, now I've got it. Okay. And of course this arc as well. In XY direction, here in X direction, so let's go for 80 millimeters. That should do. And now rotate those elements, arc, spline, spline, and that arc as well, and the line, center of rotation, keep relations, and go for this point as 1, and I have to go, I think, for minus 10 degrees. Yes, and confirm. Leave that sketch, and now I could do a lofted surface. I could hide that plane. Go for a lofted surface, go for the selection manager. I want to keep a closed loop, yes, select it here, confirm, select the next closed loop, and this one should give me a really nice surface. Yes, it does. Now let's go normal to profile and normal to profile. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks really, really nice. And confirm. Okay, let's show that one sketch because I need another plane. And let's go for a plane. And that should be rotated around this axis, and the second reference should be the main sketch plane, and I want it to be 90 degrees, so it's perpendicular. That's okay, and confirm. Then do a sketch on this plane here, and I want to bring in the intersection curve with that surface. So let's try to select this surface here, confirm, and then try to select that surface here, just that one. Not, yeah, that's strange, it goes all around. So maybe my profile is some sort of here. That point is not recognized, but it doesn't really matter right now, so let's confirm this one as well. Hide those two surfaces or that loft. Make those two curves for construction only. So this one should be for construction and that one should be for construction. And then add a spline which is tangent to those two curves. So let's go for a spline. Should start here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 points like this. Select, then make a tangent here, so this one and that one should be tangent. Confirm, and this one and that one should be tangent as well. And of course you could control here with those arrows the tension, but I might move this point a little bit, maybe like that. So yeah, this looks better. Great, let's leave that sketch. And now I want to go for lofts because the fills will not work, I suppose. So I don't need the surface. I could do it with the sketch because I went normal to the profile and I go normal from that profile, so that will do. So let's go for a loft and profile. I want to use a group, and the first group would be just that arc. Confirm. And the second open group would be this arc. Confirm. So move that over here, and then I want to use a guide curve, this one. That's okay. Confirm. The selected guide curve is invalid. That's interesting. Why is that invalid? Because it moved that point again. That's crazy. Should not. So move that ball over here. At least try. So let's click there and move. Come on. I want to move that one over here. That's really annoying, not amazing, but annoying. I can't move it. So let's clear this one out and select it again. Yeah, that's crazy, but it is like it is. Now let's go for the start end constraints, and these should be normal to profile and normal to profile. And confirm. And now I can bring back that surface loft, this one, and hide that sketch. And the other one as well. Now let's do 2 more lofts. Where's my loft? There you go. I want it to be again not a group, yes, a group, just that one here. So does it go all around as before? Really? Okay, let's bring back the sketch. That's really amazing. Now let's do the loft. So I could go for just that curve here if I go for my selection manager, which I forgot again. Selection manager, a group, this one, confirm, and that edge here. Now it should be normal to profile here and tangent here. So let's switch to normal to profile, and this one should be tangency to face. Let's take a look from the side. Maybe change that value to 0.5. Yeah, this looks okay. And merge tangent faces, yes, and confirm. Let's try the same thing on the other side. That's kind of hard to see where I'm going. So that's so that would be the other side. Yeah. Now go for a lofted surface. Go for open group. This one. Confirm. Then select the edge. I think that's the wrong edge. No. So, yeah, that's the wrong edge. Really, I did it on the wrong side. But it's really hard to tell and see. Okay, lofted surface. Go for that. Selection manager, open group, yes, select this one, confirm, and then select that edge here. Move that point, go for normal to profile, and try tangency to face. Yeah. Now let's change that value to 0.5 or even 0.2. Let's see. Yeah, that would be okay. And confirm. Now I will need that sketch on another plane. So let's go for a new plane, which is again parallel to the main sketch plane. Distance 700, but I want to flip the offset. And confirm. And now copy that sketch, this one, Control C, onto that newly created plane, Control V. Let's edit that sketch. And I want to rotate this around the center point here, that midpoint. So go for rotate entities, this spline, that arc, this spline, and the small arc on the other side here. And the center of rotation would be this point here. And I have to go for, I think, 20 degrees. Let's see. Yeah. And confirm. Leave that sketch. And let's do another loft. Go for the selection manager. This time it's a closed one. This one here. Confirm. and another closed one. Confirm, confirm, looks good, and go for normal to profile and tangency to face. Confirm. Now knit those together and hide those elements. So I could hide that plane and hide that one sketch, this one. Now go for knit surface, this surface, that surface, and those three surfaces as well, and confirm. Hide that plane here, and of course put all those features into one folder afterwards. Now I have to move that air blade and rotate it and make a pattern. Okay, let's bring back our image, and maybe that, yeah, the image would do. Okay, so let's see where we have to go with our air blade. Let's look normal to that plane, and yeah, it's almost there. It should be about that position and then be rotated. So let's go to move copy bodies, and I want to move that body, of course. Let's move it up a little bit, maybe like this. That would be okay. And then slightly to this side, yes, and then rotate it by 90 degrees. So go for rotation and turn it. Yeah, first move it and then rotate it. So it should be up there, over there, and rotate it by, yeah, that's it's not, seems it's not possible like this. So let's do it like that. First do the move and then confirm that move and then do the rotate. So let's confirm this and now go for rotate. Go for rotate, and that would be the, I think that's the set axis. So that would be 90 degrees around this one. Let's see, 90 degrees. Or minus 90 degrees. Let's go for minus 90 degrees or whatever angle you like. Yeah. And confirm. And now I want to move it again, but in set direction. So go for another move copy bodies, select it, and now I want to move it in that direction, and therefore it would be nice to see that revolve. So bring it back and now move that air blade in this direction, maybe like this. Yeah, looks okay. And then I want to make a pattern, and therefore I will need that axis here, that center line, which should be here. So bring it back, and then I should be able to use that center line as axis for the pattern. I need not a linear pattern but a circular pattern. I want to pattern a body. That would be this body here. At first I could trim. Maybe I should trim beforehand. Let's go for trim. Trim would be this one, and I want to trim with that tool, this surface. Confirm. Yeah, and then I could trim here, this one as well. Might this be a problem? We will see. So let's go for another trim. I want to trim with this tool. That's the one, yes, and I want to keep this one and confirm. Okay. Let's hide the image sketch. And now go for the pattern. Circular pattern. I want to pattern a body. This body here. And I need 3 instances. The axis would be this one. And I want to go for 3 instances, equal spacing and 360 degrees, and confirm. Now let's see if we can trim that surface. Trim. This would be a tool. Can I use both of them? Nope. And that would be the target. Confirm. Do another trim. This would be the tool here. And that's wrong. So that would be the tool, and that's the surface I want to keep. And confirm. And then I should be able to knit those together. So go for knit. This surface, that surface, this one, and that one. And confirm. So this should be one surface. Hide that sketch and check. Yeah. Great. And I'm done. So hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. And I should put all those features into a folder. Don't forget that one. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.